Struggling to budget for flyer design? You're not alone. One minute you're browsing online, the next you're lost in a sea of conflicting prices, vague quotes, and surprise add-ons. It's enough to make any business owner want to throw in the towel. How much should flyer design really cost? What are you actually paying for? And how do you avoid falling into the trap of overpriced services or low-quality results? That's where our ultimate guide to flyer design costs comes in. We break everything down for you, clearly, simply, and with zero fluff. From understanding what goes into a professional design to knowing how revisions and design complexity impact your bottom line, we've got it covered. We even explain how your choice of printing materials and flyer formats can influence the final price. Whether you're working with a seasoned designer or browsing freelance platforms, this guide gives you the tools to budget smart. No more second guessing if you're paying too much or cutting corners. You'll learn how to compare services, ask the right questions, and set realistic expectations from day one. For small business owners, marketing teams, or anyone new to the design world, this resource is the confidence boost you've been looking for. Why risk wasting money or missing out on top-tier results? Your marketing materials represent your brand. Make sure they're worth every penny. Get the clarity and peace of mind you need to launch your next flyer campaign with confidence. Click the link in the description to explore the full guide and take the guesswork out of flyer design costs.